Y'all ready to come learn to make an amazing Cajun Thanksgiving dressing? Let's go! First, we're going to be taking unsalted butter melted, then adding in white onion, celery, parsley, rosemary, dry oregano, and thyme. Give this a nice mix till it's been translucent. Then adding in just a little bit of black pepper, salt, and blackening seasoning. When it's ready, add in 6 cups of turkey stock. Give this a nice mix till heated. Now we're going to be taking day-old bread, cutting it up and letting it dry. 1 loaf of ciabatta, French bread, and baguette. From here we're going to be adding in our broth to your liking, just like so. Salt and pepper just a little bit more to your liking, and bake at 350 degrees until golden brown. How simple is that? Look at that amazing dish. As always, please do like, subscribe, follow for future recipes, and I hope you have a good day now. You hear? Bye-bye.